With cases of human metapneumovirus (HMPV) emerging in Karnataka, health officials are ramping up efforts to address the situation. HMPV, or respiratory virus primarily affecting children with low immunity, can cause cold-like symptoms or, in severe cases, lead to complications. It was first detected in 2001 and is suspected to reappear during colder weather. Karnataka Health Minister Dinesh Gundurao reassured the public, saying there's no need to panic. This virus is not new and is found in babies with weaker immunity. The affected baby is stable and the situation is under control, he stated. He also clarified there is no confirmation it's from China. We are waiting for reports and notifications from the ICMR and the central government. Necessary steps will be taken once we have more clarity. Responding to concerns, Medical Education Minister Dr. Sharan Prakash Patel held a high-level meeting with district medical college heads, led by Principal Secretary Dr. Muhammad Mohsin and Director Dr. B.L. Sujata Rathod. The discussion focused on preventive measures, early detection and public awareness.